Hello and welcome to this video. Here is your beautiful marine padlock that was kindly sent to me by Marco, Nagilum Lockpicking, Italian lockpicker. So very nice of Marco to send this to me because I really wanted one of those. So VIRO, made in Italy, inox shackle, inox springs. Beautiful padlock. Here is the package information. It's water resistant and some info regarding the size and that it's corrosion resistant. 2 locking bolts and 2 keys. So here is one of the keys with a bitting stairway getting larger, or getting longer. The key pins are getting longer, so this is actually very nice for picking. But then we have a shallow cut at 5, and might be a little bit difficult to reach that pin. So works. Very strong spring tension on the shackle and on the core. Let me try to pick it. I have picked it before 3 times now, and hope I can repeat it on camera for you. So use the Sparrow's shallow hook and light tension. 1 is springy, 2 is springy, 3 is binding. Got a full set. Searching for a spool. And that was 2, I believe, and now I'm on 1. 1 is giving also feedback. I do push it really hard, but it's not pin doesn't manage to counter rotate the plug, so I really have to release all my tension and got it set. Yep. Alright, all the way to the back. Let's see if there's another pin that gives feedback. No. Change picks, use my deforest half diamond. Maybe it's the last pin. Yeah, it's the last pin that gives feedback. Let's see if I can pick it. Okay, maybe I got it, but it seems that I lost the full set. So check the other pins. And got it open. Yeah, cool. So this was the VIRO, made in Italy, marine padlock, picked. And Marco, thank you very much for this great lock. Really enjoyed watching, looking at it and picking it and polishing it. Wonderful. Alright, thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye. So, as you can see, I'm not in my usual lock lab environment anymore. I'm here in the kitchen. And as the VIRO is a marine padlock and it is water resistant, I will try to pick it underwater. So let me zoom in. Have the key. Lock works and is locked up. I'll zoom in a little bit more, so like that. I use my wiper insert type tension wrench here. Tension lock the core at the open side of the keyway and start with my Sparrow's shallow hook. So let's see. Full set. 1 spool. Another spool. I'm on 1. One is set, great. Alright, now I change picks to the deeper hook. See if I can get number 5. Got something, but lost the full set. I think it's not overset, doesn't feel like. Maybe I didn't set it all the way it needs, so check again. Okay, got my false set back. Now my pick is stuck. Maybe I can... No, it's out, so check with my shadow hook if something in the front needs to be set. Yeah, number 1 is given feedback. Okay, and it's open. Yeah. Alright, so that was the VIRO marine padlock picked underwater. Happy picking. Bye bye. And thanks for watching, of course.